I have a favorite tool for cutting my macrame edges, especially for feathers and coasters and small to medium-sized wall hangings, and it's the rotary cutter. You get such awesome clean edges with this tool. It works really well for curves and for straight lines. This is a style of rotary cutter I have, and it's super easy to use. You will need a cutting mat as well to protect your surface. Rotary cutters usually have a protective guard so you don't cut yourself by accident. For this one, you just push the yellow tab and you pull down and the blade is exposed. When you're done, you just push it back again. I'll show you how I use this tool when cutting a macrame feather. Place your feather on the cutting mat, comb it out so it's how you like it, and then just press firmly with your rotary cutter and cut the curve that you like. You want to dust away the excess cord and then just go in and cut again to catch any pieces that you missed. I'll show you how I cut a straight line using this wall hanging. I like to use a ruler or some kind of straight edge when doing this. Just press down firmly with the ruler and then follow the line with your rotary cutter. Dust away the cord and then go back and catch any pieces that you missed. Remember when you're done to close the safety cover again. Maybe this tutorial has inspired you to get yourself a rotary cutter.